What's going on, everyone? We're on our way to Silverwood Lake today. Gonna go check out this trout stock that happened earlier in the week, so hopefully we can get on some. Today is Veterans Day, so thank you to all the veterans who served in the military so that we could enjoy our freedom. So thanks, guys. It snowed earlier this week. We had a big rainstorm, and it snowed a little bit, as you can see here on Mount Baldy, and going over the pass, the snow on Big Bear. So as you can tell, the wind's blowing pretty good right now. Not horrible, but I feel comfortable going out. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
You pulling you out or no?
Yeah, pull it out.
Yo ho, pirate, play for me.
Yo ho,
What's up, buddy? You out here on the water?
Yeah.
You!
Daddy, how you are?
Out here, Silverwood Lake, baby.
Off that point,
Yeah?
they got 7.
Oh, nice.
Daddy, I love
That's where we're headed. What's up, bud?
I love it.
All right, thank you. So shout out to the guys in the bass tracker for pointing us in the right direction of where the trout were schooled up at.
For a couple of years,
Yeah?
we tried to make some big trips.
Uh-huh.
Didn't work out.
Yeah?
How about this?
Nice one, man. So the guy on the Native Sun kayak ended up catching 4 bass. I thought with the rain this week it was going to be too cold for the bass.
No, I don't know.
Or the last one he caught was probably about like 6 pounds.
Yeah.
That's good. All right, keep your eye out for the trout, okay? The sniper baits. You gonna want to run a pink worm?
Yeah.
All right, let's get him.
Get him so I can beat.
I've had a few people ask me about this case. Because if you this drop it, is you know where it's gonna go. P-line case. I
Straight
believe I got it
down
off
to the
of
bottom.
eBay.
You
You want me to cast it out for you?
Yeah. I don't want it.
All right, here you go.
Nice, bro.
Thanks.
You slapped
We're gonna
it
tow
off.
around a little bit of power bait, so hopefully we can get
Oh,
a bit on that while in between casting.
Spit it out.
Is it trout?
Yeah.
Nice. Whoa.
What is that? What did you saw? What did you see?
He just got a trout. Let's go over there. It's an osprey. I might not know much about fishing, but I know if you see birds crashing on the water, you want to fish there because that's where the bait's at.
Daddy, that's super awesome.
Let's go over there.
Daddy, that's awesome.
Look, they're right over here.
I'm trying. Daddy, let me get back.
So the mini jigs, I'm throwing them on like 2-pound test Iser line, and it's on a 1/32 weight. I believe they're size number 6 BMC sickle hooks. The sickle hooks have like a little bend in the corner, not like a round bend. They come to like a V. They get caught in the fish's mouth a little bit better, I feel. You're good. You're good.
Still there?
I don't know. Is it? Oh, you got off. It's all right. Let's
Oh,
get you another
Daddy,
one.
this stuff.
It's okay. Hey. You don't need to be upset.
Is it pink too?
Yeah, let me see.
It's pink too.
Here, Jack. Here. Go. You're up. Reel. Real quick. Okay, not too fast. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Let me get the net. Take him. Get some.
Get some.
All right, not too much, not too much. Oh my gosh, I think it's a shark. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good. Leave it right there.
What is this fish called?
The trout.
Trout?
Oh, bro. Get it out. Yes.
Are you happy?
Good job. You did good, man.
How big is it? Daddy's on.
The sniper bait strike again. All right. Here, you want to hook him on yours? Or you want me to hook him on my boat? You want to see him?
What?
Do you want to see him, or you want me to put him in the water?
Let's put him in the water. Is good.
Here. Go. You're up. Go. Go. You want to reel it, or you want me to?
Yeah.
No, go ahead. Reel it. It's on there. It's gonna get off. Reel.
Real.
Careful. What? You're getting on this pole, bud. Not too hard. Not too hard. Not too hard. Not too hard. Wait.
I'm so happy.
You're doing good.
If I Daddy.
Jacko, on the sniper baits. Get some. Nicely done.
Daddy,
Right.
I get a billion points.
Oh, this is a cool looking one.
We got 2 trout.
This is a rainbow trout.
Rainbow trout? Dude. Nice name for the fish. Jesus. The fish. Guys,
Yep.
did I outfish you?
You're out fishing me, dude. You're better than me.
Jesus.
What's happening, man?
How you doing, man?
Pretty good.
You got some already?
Yeah, we just got 2.
Daddy, we both got a million points.
Dude, you're such a better fisherman than me. How are you so good, bud?
Daddy.
Dude, you're a natural. How do you?
See any stripers?
No, I haven't seen any.
I heard they were out here earlier
Oh yeah?
chasing the trout.
We only got out here maybe like 1 o'clock or so. But at least it's not too windy.
Yeah. What color you get it on?
I think like orangish pink color.
It's a nice little kayak.
Thank you.
What do you have? Is that a pedal drive or?
No, this is a lifetime one.
Okay.
Nothing special. Here, buddy.
I want to go home.
Okay, let's just try to catch one more, then we can go home, bud. You've been a good sport today. So check out the Seasick Fisherman. He makes his own plastic baits also. He sells like worms and little stingers, I believe, mini jigs. So check him out. Why are you saying that?
What?
Why are you talking like that? It was cool talking to him about the float tubes versus kayaks. He runs a Cumberland float tube. I also have a Cumberland. Here, you're up. You're up. You're bit. Okay, real. Put pressure on him.
Jack is going to get the rest.
Okay, that's good. Don't reel more. Let me bring you back a little bit and I'll net him. Try to point your pole that way.
God, pull that way.
I'll get it. You're good. Oh, dude, this one's a fighter.
This one's a fire?
He's gonna tow us across the lake. Hang on, let me see.
That's
Let
what
go.
the fish is called.
Oh, he's going around the anchor.
Dude, bro, what does this guy do?
You.
Pros and cons of the kayak, or talking about the kayak
No, it's a
versus
trout.
fishing out of a float tube. Ultimately, I think we both would like to upgrade to a paddle drive
Oh, I
kayak.
got no space. You got to
in the
deal with
future.
them.
The big difference for people who've never been on a kayak or a float tube, I'd say, is a kayak you can get a longer range, but you're going to be drifting around if you don't have an
Yeah, it
anchor.
could drop in.
But if you're on the
Bring
float
it.
tube and you're fishing like a dock, you can pick it apart because you could use your feet to stay in place, as opposed to like the kayak where you're just like getting blown around or you're at the current's mercy.
Here.
Nice catch.
Thanks, dude. Jacko.
Yeah. What are you,
Sure, what you got? What you working with?
What is that? Oh my god, how many are those?
There's 3. Jack's on him today. Okay, we're gonna go in a minute. Let me see if I could just get one on the fly. Okay. It's easier, huh?
So I got bit on the fly, but I think I set the hook too hard because I just broke the tippet off. Not long after this, I managed to get the line all tangled up at the end, so I think we're gonna call it a day. Little man's getting tired.
How many you got? 1, 2, 3?
1, 2, 3.
Good job, dude.
I got 1.
We ended up missing 2 fish, landed 3, all on the Sniper Baits plastic. So thanks for checking it out, guys. If you enjoy the content, like, comment, subscribe, make some more videos. Tell me what you want to see, questions you have, let me know.